Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Finder, your go-to channel for discovering the smartest AI tools out there. Today we're checking out Coursiv, an AI learning platform designed to help anyone, beginner or pro, start using AI to work smarter, create faster, and even build income. The best part? You can get started in just 15 minutes a day. Coursiv isn't just about theory. It's a hands-on platform that teaches you how to actually apply AI in real life, from content creation to automation and even affiliate earning. With over 800,000 users and a practical, beginner-friendly approach, it's become one of the easiest ways to get up to speed with AI. Let's jump in. Head over to coursiv.io and you'll land on a clean homepage where you can click Start Now to begin. The first thing you'll see is a short onboarding quiz. This isn't a test, just a quick way to personalize your learning plan based on your goals, your background, and your preferred learning style. It only takes a minute or two, and each answer helps Coursiv tailor a learning track that's actually relevant to what you want to do. Whether that's learning AI for content creation, automation, freelancing, or affiliate marketing. I'll go ahead and fill mine out, and we'll pick things back up once I hit the dashboard. Once you're in, you land on your personalized dashboard. This is where Coursiv really separates itself from other platforms. Instead of dumping a bunch of generic video tutorials in front of you, it gives you a structured path built around what you want to learn. And it does it in a way that fits into your day, with daily lessons that take just 15 minutes. You can learn through audio, step-by-step written guides, or even interactive modules, depending on how you like to absorb information. And as you go, you're not just learning what AI is, you're using it. You'll be writing prompts, using tools like ChatGPT or Midjourney, and applying them to real-world use cases. Coursiv works seamlessly on both desktop and mobile, and there's an app available for iOS and Android. In this walkthrough, I'll be using the mobile app to show you exactly what you get inside. At the bottom, you'll find three main sections: Guides, Challenges, AI Tools, and Profile. In the Guides section, Coursiv uses a streak system that rewards you for staying consistent. It's a smart way to encourage daily learning and steady progress. You'll also find a curated collection of AI tools and lessons on how to apply them to real-world goals. You can explore these tools by tapping View All. You'll see popular tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, DeepSeek, and more. Each guide is easy to follow and designed to help you get practical results. It's a well-organized, beginner-friendly way to dive into AI without getting overwhelmed. In the Recommended for You area, you'll find curated categories based on your interests, like AI marketing. Let's click on that. Inside, you can instantly begin lessons tailored to marketing use cases. It's intuitive, engaging, and makes learning feel effortless. If you're short on time or want a guided learning path, the Challenges section is perfect. It offers structured tracks like the 28-Day AI Challenge, 14-Day AI Side Gigs Challenge, and even a No-Code Challenge. Each day introduces you to a new tool or tactic. You can take it slow with one lesson per day or binge several at once if you're feeling inspired. It's all self-paced and designed to keep you progressing without stress. The balance of simplicity and structure here is really impressive. One of my favorite features is the collection of built-in AI tools. No need to switch between websites or create separate accounts. Everything from image generation and content writing to social media management and productivity tools is right in the app. Coursiv even includes pre-written prompts, which is super helpful for beginners. It's a powerful, all-in-one environment to experiment, learn, and get instant results. If you're someone who values credentials, Coursiv also offers AI knowledge certificates in the Profile tab. These can be added to your LinkedIn profile or resume to show off your growing skill set. While they might not be officially accredited, they're still a great way to showcase your dedication and boost your credibility, especially in freelance or job hunting situations. To unlock the full platform, you'll need to choose a subscription plan. When you click Get My Plan, you'll see a few pricing options: 1 week, 4 weeks, or 12 weeks. The most cost-effective one is usually the 12-week plan, but if you're just trying it out, the 4-week plan is a great place to start. It's affordable, just under $1 a day, and they often run promotions for first-time users. Payment is simple with either PayPal or a credit card, and once you're in, you get full access. What makes Coursiv worth recommending is how focused it is on getting results. You're not sitting through hours of theory hoping something clicks. You're learning practical, useful skills that can help you automate your workflow, create content faster, market smarter, and even earn income using AI tools. You also get a certificate when you complete your learning path, which can boost your resume or help you stand out as a freelancer. And yes, there's a money-back guarantee. As long as you actually participate and go through the lessons, you're covered. So if you've been curious about AI but didn't know where to start, or you've played around with tools like ChatGPT but want to take things further, Coursiv is a solid way to level up. It's simple, structured, and genuinely designed for people who want to turn AI into a tool they use every day, not just something they read about. If you found this helpful, hit like, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe to aIfinder for more walkthroughs, reviews, and deep dives into the best AI tools out there. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.